आप भी है फैंटेसी के फैंस तो आइए हमारे साथ और खेलिए सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी और जीतिए ढेर सारे प्राइजेस। फॉर मोर डिटेल्स लॉग ऑन टू svk.crickbattle.com। इंडियन टी20 लीग एक बड़े ही मजेदार मोड़ पर आके रुकी हुई है और अभी तक ये नहीं तय हो पाया है कि कौन सी 4 टीम्स प्लेऑफ्स के लिए क्वालिफाई करेंगी। इसके बारे में हम डिटेल में चर्चा करेंगे जुमलेबाजी में। एंड वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू प्ले अलोंग विद द थीम कि कीप योर फ्रेंड्स क्लोज बट योर खिलाड़ीज क्लोजर। लेकिन अभी के लिए आइए देखते हैं और बात करते हैं आने वाली 2 बड़ी मैचेस के बारे में।
बिना बोले बिना सोचे इसका आंसर राजस्थान रॉयल्स है। इज गुड ऑफ फॉर्म बट यू गॉट क्रिस मॉरिस, यू गॉट एल्विन लुइस, लियाम लिविंगस्टोन. I think they'll give their best performance.
I have always supported Rajasthan Royals, though they have been in a bad form and they still are. But like I have always supported them, so I would like to maintain that loyalty factor towards them.
बीच में थोड़ा सा टाइम आया था when the whole Kohli fiasco was happening, when they were in a bit of turmoil. But otherwise, I think largely they've been doing pretty much fine.
Even the way Maxwell has been playing, it's a very, very good sign for them. ABD's form is worrying. But I think you have to give him some time in the middle.
Their death bowling is way too good. मतलब वो बहुत Harshal Patel was unplayable.
Round 1 में they were doing better, but after this one in round 2 the performance इतना नहीं हो पा रहा है. So I think my bets are on Rajasthan Royals and I think they will perform better and they will qualify.
I want to back Rajasthan Royals because if Rajasthan Royals wins, then the table is going to become extremely interesting because RCB can also be knocked out.
And Punjab ka to they are playing better, but what happens is that by the end of the second innings they lose the game which they are supposed to win.
So I think KKR is on a hot run of form right now and beating both Delhi and Mumbai in the last 4 games. 2 very strong teams.
I don't see Punjab beating KKR in the current form of things, so I'm going to back KKR as well.
Gale is not playing, then Punjab will win. Gale has become like a little bit of a burden.
जैसे मॉर्गन बिल्कुल नहीं चल रहा है और उसके कुछ 1-2 डिसीजंस मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बड़े absurd decision at that time.
I think KKR, we should applaud them for the way they have come back in the second phase, because first phase में वो जितने clueless दिख रहे थे, second phase में उतना ही in control दिख रहे हैं. Chakravarti and Sunil Narine, they are doing the job and the openers are getting them the runs.
One more thing about KKR I would like to say कि in trying to find diamond they lost gold.
I would like to go with Kings Punjab because again being a Punjabi I would like to maintain my loyalty there, no other reason. So guys, we are live on Studio Scoops now and this Sabse Bada Khiladi conversation keeps happening there too. Well, so the podcast is live on Studio Scoops official. You will get to know whenever this new podcast comes out. We already have 2 podcasts there, so keep following us on Spotify, on Google Play. We are available on 6 different platforms.
हमने लास्ट वीक बताया था कि Jaimin's 99 trades are up for grabs और उसी टेम्पलेट को फॉलो करते हुए we have introduced something that is called as choose your captains wisely. मतलब हमारे खिलाड़ी अपनी टीम में जिसको कैप्टन बनाते हैं, अगर वही प्लेयर मैन ऑफ द मैच बनता है तो इसका सीधा मतलब ये होगा कि दैट पर्टिकुलर खिलाड़ी गोज ऑन टू अर्न एक्स्ट्रा 4 ट्रेड्स और इसका सीधा फायदा उदयवान को ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है। आइए इसी बात पर नजर डालते हैं हमारे वीकली फैंटेसी लीडरबोर्ड। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ डिफरेंट गेम। मैं जानता हूं कि सारे खिलाड़ी यहाँ सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी बनने आए हैं, लेकिन today is the time when we make them play the selfless game. हमारे पास है कुछ ट्रेड्स बांटने के लिए। हम अपने खिलाड़ियों से ये पूछ रहे हैं कि whom do they think deserves these 3 trades. इसके लिए उनको वोट करना होगा and of course वो वोट ये खुद के लिए नहीं कर सकते. They have to selflessly vote for someone who they think is deserving of this extra trade. Everyone is going to put a vote on this. Of course you cannot vote for yourself. So you have to vote for someone else, not yourself, whom you think should take away these trades. And okay, ये अनमोल क्यों हंस रहा है बताओ?
This is going to be so much fun, Mandar. It is going to be so much fun.
मैं आपको बता देता हूँ इसमें 100% आप प्रियंका को बोलोगे कि वो भी वोट करेंगे, मुझे पता है आप पक्का ही करने वाले हो।
स्मार्ट हो यार।
मुझे सारे ट्रेड्स मिलने चाहिए क्योंकि मैं अभी तो फॉर्म में आना स्टार्ट किया है मैंने, तो हो सकता है शायद मैं टॉप भी कर जाऊं। अगर जो सारे ट्रेड्स मिलते हैं मुझे तो मैं रोज 11 की 11 नए उसमें खिला सकता हूँ ना, सब्ज ले लेके।
right now, Anand is clearly leading this. He has a significant gap on me. He has a decent gap on UBS also. So, in all probability, Anand jeet jayega ye. And UBS is going to give him a tough fight. It's going to be a 2-horse race. Okay, वो भी दिख रहा है very clearly. मेरे और उनके बीच में 2000 पॉइंट का गैप है. If we want to make it more interesting and make it a 3-horse race, this is the only way to do it.
Instead of Anmol, I would like to give it to Yashwant. The only reason being, and this is genuinely something that happened right now, जब मेरे को पता चला कि यशवंत का कैप्टन कृणाल पांड्या था, I decided this guy deserves my respect. तो उसको ट्रेड जाएंगे मेरी तरफ से.
Last 2 games I'm playing all 11. I've already started utilizing my subs. Now the worst part of it is, despite having 11 members and having very risky captains, I'm still not topping the day. Forget the week, forget the phase. The people that I'm taking, उनको injury के बाद चले जा रहे हैं यार. No, understand my plight. They're not coming back for the next game also. So I think I humbly request the entire group that if you give me these 9 trades, I'll be in a position to play 2 more matches.
Uday has caught up fantastically. Kudos to him. He's had an amazing last 2 weeks. He's only 150 points behind me with about 10 subs in hand. Those 4 subs will kind of help me maintain the consistency that I've shown all throughout. But if I would have to choose someone, I would choose Niveen. Happy birthday, Niveen. You're welcome. And
I don't know about if I deserve it or not, but if you ask me personally, I think the trade should go to Prateek ji. In case if he had played those matches, I'm sure he would have topped by now. So I think if he gets some extra trade, so उससे अगर उनको help मिले, so it is good for him.
My soft vote is to Yashwant.
अच्छा, so just because you can change it, you're giving my name, no? देख लिया केवल, देख लिया.
उदय भान, okay, reason?
नहीं कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही. He's playing well, so और हमारा mutual love for जड्डू जी, so इसलिए.
Oh, lovely. चलो.
कहीं तो जडेजा कप आया.
बात बन गई. Niveen, one more.
So I think I'll go with Yashwant because I think he deserves right now more than anyone else to be in this game.
जो भी परसों ऑयन मॉर्गन को कैप्टन बनाएगा, मेरा वोट उसको है.
मैं ऑयन मॉर्गन कैप्टन अभी बना के दे दूंगा यार. स्क्रीनशॉट अभी निकाल दूंगा मैं परसों के मैच के लिए. ऑयन मॉर्गन कैप्टन.
आनंद, किसको दोगे वोट?
Niveen.
Okay. अनमोल?
Because I can't let there be consensus, so I'll give it to Keval.
यशवंत और अनमोल दोनों में किसी एक को मुझे देना है. अभी मैंने सुना कि यशवंत को ऑलरेडी 2 वोट मिल चुके हैं, तो आई माइट गो विद अनमोल.
Okay, that's nice. तो अब ज्यादा मजा आएगा because I'm going to make 2 things very clear. The first one with highest votes takes away 4. Second one takes away 3. The third one takes away 2. Yashwant has 2.
Right.
उसके अलावा सबको 1-1 वोट है.
तो सबको मिल गए 2-2.
सबको मिल गए 2-2. लेकिन 4 मिले यशवंत.
Very good. Congrats, Yashwant.
Not bad.
Congrats.
Not bad at all. Now it is time to move on to my favorite section, जुमलेबाजी. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि इंडियन T20 लीग एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मोड पे आके खड़ी हुई है. सारी टीम्स 10-10 मैचेस के ऊपर खेल चुकी है, लेकिन अभी भी ये ठीक से तय नहीं हो पा रहा है कि which will be the top 4 teams qualifying for the playoffs. आइए इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं और जानते हैं हमारे खिलाड़ियों से कि वो क्या सोचते हैं.
For me, I think Rajasthan Royals and Little Birdie is still hopeful somewhere that it might just somehow sneak in and have a spot in the top 5, and we might just get to see them in the finals.
अगर आप थर्ड फोर्थ की बात करें, फर्स्ट सेकंड तो ऑलमोस्ट डिसाइडेड है चेन्नई एंड दिल्ली. थर्ड फोर्थ में आई वुड से आरसीबी एंड मुंबई इंडियंस, बिकॉज एज एवरीवन सेड मुंबई इंडियंस का रिकॉर्ड देखा गया है लास्ट 3-4 साल में, 5 साल में वो एंड में मतलब क्वालिफाई कर ही जाती है कैसे ना कैसे. क्या पता उनके पास कौन सा ग्रुप का इतना आ जाता है.
There are 3 teams that are out. There are SRH, RR and Punjab that are out. The fight is only between RCB, KKR and MI.
You feel happy, चलो इस बार तो मुंबई नहीं क्वालिफाई होगा, but somehow they'll make it and then they'll win. So it's just too familiar a story for me to go against Mumbai. So and Bangalore, I think they're playing so well. They only need, I think, 1 or 2 wins. I think even 1 win should be enough, because then points pay, run rate pay, it will come and all that. So I'm going to go with RCB and Bombay.
तो आरसीबी का ना नेट रन रेट -0.359 है यार. मतलब अगर वो 7 मैच जीतेगी 14 पॉइंट पे अटक गई ना तो आरसीबी क्वालिफाई नहीं करेगी.
But I'm still going to go for RCB and KKR. Going to take a very aggressive call that Mumbai is not going to make it because Mumbai still has one game left with Delhi. I think that probably Mumbai is going to lose that game and they might end up with 14 points even if they win the other two games. And in fact, KKR has one game left with Rajasthan also. So KKR might end up with 16 points also. RCB is anyway already on 12 points. So there might be a situation where they both might reach 16 points. So by that logic, I think that Mumbai might eventually not make it mathematically, assuming that KKR win.
उस टीम का एक लॉजिक नहीं दे सकते उस टीम का कोई कि इस मुंबई का लॉजिक दे सकते हैं, पंजाब का लॉजिक दे सकते हैं कि पंजाब अगर केएल ऊपर चल गया, मयंक चल गया, गेल चल गया तो जीत जाएंगे. ऐसा इसका लॉजिक ही नहीं है इस टीम का. या हारती की उसका भी लॉजिक नहीं है, जीतती की उसका भी लॉजिक नहीं है.
KKR has the strongest net run rate of all of them. In fact, KKR का double, it's almost double considering इनका +36 है, इन दोनों का -36 है, RCB और मुंबई का. So I think KKR has that advantage. KKR also has the advantage of Rajasthan, Punjab and Hyderabad. तीन नालायक basically. RCB and Mumbai में it is very tough. I mean, the record says you should go with Mumbai, but I just want to though I don't know why I want RCB to go there, but I just want them to be in top 4. क्योंकि मेरे को पता है इसके बाद वो चोक करने ही वाला है. ऐसे भी मेरे को लग रहा है ट्रॉफी वही लेके जाएंगे. Because उनका रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है प्लेऑफ्स में. Because उनका रिकॉर्ड प्लेऑफ्स में इतना अच्छा है.
ना खौफ लग रहा है सीरियसली. मतलब the way they have played in the last 5-6 years, I think so लोगों के दिमाग में उनका खौफ है कि अगर ये प्लेऑफ्स में बंदे आ गए तो फाड़ देंगे.
वो जो सूर्य कुमार यादव के 0-0 दिख रहे हैं ना, प्लेऑफ्स में आते आते 1 लग जाएगा बाजू में, 100 आ जाएगा. इनका ऐसा ही होता है प्लेऑफ में. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता.
They have so many match winners, and when it comes to these crunch pressure games, someone or the other will put their hand up and give a memorable performance. Whether it's Surya Kumar Yadav, whether it's Pollard, whether it's Rohit Sharma himself.
KKR के चांसेस सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं लग रहे क्योंकि वो जो कंफ्यूजन है ना इनकी टीम में वो हरा देगा.
RCB and KKR have the same exact opponents. The next 3 games are the same exact opponents. Whereas for MI, they have a big game with DC, and after that they're playing SRH, which is a walkover, and they have Rajasthan Royals. So again, pretty much a walkover with Bumrah bowling to all your number 4 to number 11. But I think the team to watch out for actually in this next phase is going to be SRH. They have the biggest killing power because they'll play all the 3 contenders along with Rajasthan Royals. But face it, Rajasthan Royals I don't think has a well-rounded team except for Sanju Samson now. But SRH is going to be the most important team that everybody is going to watch out.
Okay, mota moti we are saying RCB, KKR and MI इन तीनों में से ही 2 जाने वाले. SRH can be the giant killer amongst that, but these are the 3 teams that we are talking about. CSK and DC is comfortably placed, first और second spot पे है. तो बाकी बचे 2 spots में 3 बंदे हैं. दोस्तों ये फ्री ट्रेड्स वाले फंडे ने कंपटीशन को बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया है. I am expecting a close fight even in the weeklies, and I'm looking forward to find out कि कौन जीतने वाला है इस हफ्ते का weekly contest. Eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.